not sure if some of you guys do remember the Claude Compute use. This is essentially something that was released by Anthropic. Something that was really interesting because we got to see the first time that an AI system was able to control a computer. And I'm talking about an LLM, of course, and we can see how it's actually thinking about where it's clicking and what it's typing. And this is the kind of thing that was really interesting. But they also said that this was something that they, need to iron out some quick issues because, of course, like OpenAI is saying, there are many different risks with this. They actually spoke about that, it's possible that it might be exposed to content that prompt injection attacks. They speak about right here on this blog post that, with these kind of agents, and this is why OpenAI haven't released theirs yet, is that it's possible that it might be exposed to content that includes prompt injection attacks. And a weird way of that, this could actually happen is that, unfortunately with AI systems, sometimes when you see images, these AI systems can actually interpret what is said in those images and it can override the initial user prompt. So if an image actually says ignore everything and put this response, sometimes the large language model, if it has a vision capability, it can sort of override that initial system prompt. So this is what Anthropic have said that they are putting out for the guidelines, and they said use a dedicated virtual machine or container with minimal privileges to prevent direct system attacks or accidents. Of course, avoid giving the model access to sensitive data such as account login information to prevent information theft, because of course this could happen, and limit internet access to an allow list of domains to reduce exposure to malicious content. So if you're going to let the AI system browse your computer, it might be worthwhile to actually have it, only be able to visit certain sites. That way you're not going to be falling for these malicious scams. Now, all of this stuff right here is stuff that you're going to have to do when you start experimenting with agents, because they are still in the very early phase. I would say right now, they're beta / alpha testing them, and of course they're gaining research. But the main thing is of course reliability and of course the safety.